there was another case of playing football, I think it was football, up right on the street. There wasn't much traffic on the street where I lived. There was some, but not a lot. And I remember sort of punting the football, and you know, I wasn't a terribly good player, so the football went on a neighbor's lawn, and this neighbor had no children, and the fellow worked for the local electric company, which was then the utility monopoly in the area in which we lived. And so he came out and started yelling at me. And one of the things that he yelled at me said, "Why don't you go back to Hester Street?" And so after that event, you know, Hester Street, why would I go there? Where is it? What does it mean? I didn't understand. And of course, I mentioned it to my father, and he was, to say the least, disturbed. Whether he ever spoke to that neighbor again, I don't know.